Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are broadly defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones and their derivatives, or as substances that yields one of these compounds, composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Functional groups present include hydroxyl groups. O's indicates sugar. Carbohydrates are the most abundant of all the organic compounds in nature. In plants, energy from the sun is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into the carbohydrate glucose. Many of the glucose molecules are made into long chain polymers of starch that store energy. About 65% of the foods in our diet consist of carbohydrates. Each day, we utilize carbohydrates in foods such as bread, pasta, potatoes, and rice. Other carbohydrates called disaccharides include sucrose, that is table sugar, and lactose in milk. During digestion and cellular metabolism, carbohydrates are converted into glucose. Glucose is oxidized further in our cells to provide our bodies with energy and to provide the cells with carbon atoms for building molecules of proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. In plants, a polymer of glucose called cellulose builds the structural framework. Cellulose has other important uses too. The wood in our furniture, the pages in your notebook, and the cotton in our clothing are made of cellulose. Functions of carbohydrates in cell. Major source of energy for the cell. Major structural component of plant cell. Immediate energy in the form of glucose. Reserve or stored energy in the form of glycogen. It is the structure of glucose. In glucose, in third carbon, the OH is present in left hand side. It is the structure of galactose. In galactose, the OH of third and fourth carbon is present in left hand side. It is the fructose. Fructose is a ketose sugar. The functional group of fructose is ketone. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified according to the number of subunits that make them. Three types of carbohydrates: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides. In oligosaccharides, disaccharides, trisaccharides, and tetrasaccharides. Number 3, polysaccharides. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugars or the compounds which possess a free aldehyde CHO or ketone CO group and two or more hydroxyl groups. They are the simplest sugar and cannot be hydrolyzed further into smaller units. Monosaccharides contain a single carbon chain and are classified on the basis of number of carbon atoms they possess and as aldoses or ketoses depending upon their groups. Classification of carbon atoms in monosaccharides. Trioses, tetroses, pentosis, and hexoses. Trioses, glyceraldehydes, and ketosis, dehydroxyacetone. Tetrosis, erythrose, threose, and in ketosis, arthrulose. Pentosis, xylose, ribose, arabinose, and ketosis, ribulose. Hexosis, glucose, galactose, mannose, and in ketose form it is fructose. Monosaccharides, hexosis, glucose, the essential energy source for all body functions. The other name of glucose is dextrose and blood sugar. It's a component of each disaccharide. It is the structure of glucose. Galactose seldom occurs freely in nature, binds with glucose to form sugar in milk, that is lactose. Once absorbed by the body, galactose is converted to glucose to provide energy. This is the structure of galactose. Now fructose, the sweetest of all sugar, occurs naturally in fruits and honey, the fruit sugar. It's the structure of D-fructose or levulose, that is fruit sugar. Now oligosaccharides. These are compound sugars that yield 2 to 10 molecules of the same or different monosaccharides on hydrolysis. Accordingly, an oligosaccharide yielding 2 molecules of monosaccharides on hydrolysis is designated as disaccharides, and the one yielding 3 molecules of monosaccharides as are trisaccharides, and so on. The example of disaccharides: sucrose, lactose, maltose, cellubiose, trehalose, gentubiose, mallebiose. Now example of trisaccharides: ruminose, gentianose, raffinose, that is maltose, ribinose, maltitose. Example of tetrasaccharides: stichiose, scurridose. Pentasaccharides: verbasose. The molecular composition of the 3 legume oligosaccharides with raffinose, stichiose, and verbasose is shown below. Maltose on hydrolysis give glucose and glucose, that is 2 molecules of glucose. Lactose on hydrolysis give glucose and galactose, while sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose. Disaccharides composed of 2 monosaccharides. Cells can make disaccharides by joining 2 monosaccharides by biosynthesis. Glucose plus fructose is equal to sucrose, that is table sugar, found naturally in plants, sugarcane, sugar beet, honey, maple syrup. Sucrose may be purified from plant sources into brown, white, and powdered sugar. Glucose plus galactose is equal to lactose. The primary sugar in milk and milk products, Many people have problems digesting large amount of lactose. They are lactose intolerance. Two molecules of glucose, that is glucose plus glucose, is equal to maltose, produced when starch breaks down. Used naturally in fermentation reaction of alcohol and beer manufacturing. This is the structure of sucrose, and one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose bound together. Number 2 is lactose, when glucose bonded with galactose. And number 3 is maltose, glucose bound with glucose. These are the examples of disaccharides. Trisaccharides composed of 3 monosaccharides as raffinose formed by 1 mole of each glucose, fructose and galactose. Tetrasaccharides, example stachyose, composed of 2 moles of galactose and 1 mole of glucose and 1 mole of fructose. The tables show relative sweetness of sugar and artificial sweeteners. Now, polysaccharides containing 10 or more monosaccharides unite attached together. Example starch, it is digestible, glycogen, digestible. Number 3 fiber, indigestible. Long chains of glucose units form these polysaccharides. Cellulose gives structure to plants, fibers to our diet. Glycogen is an energy storage sugar produced by animals. Liver cells synthesize glycogen after a meal to maintain blood sugar levels or blood glucose levels. A great majority of carbohydrates of nature occurs at polysaccharides. Chemically, the polysaccharides may be distinguished into homopolysaccharides, which yield on hydrolysis a single monosaccharides, and heteropolysaccharides, which produce a mixture of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. Based on their functional aspect, the polysaccharides may be grouped under 2 headings. Nutrients or digestible polysaccharides. These act as metabolic reserve of monosaccharides in plants and animals. Example starch, glycogen and insulin. Structural or indigestible polysaccharides. These serve as rigid mechanical structures in plants and animals. Example cellulose, pectin and chitin, and also hyaluronic acid and chondroitin. Amylose, amylopectin, hydrolysis give dextrins, hydrolysis or amylose act maltose, and maltose many D-glucose units. Types of polysaccharides. Number 1 is starch. The major digestible polysaccharides in our diet, the storage form of carbohydrates in plants, sources wheat, rice, corn, rye, barley, potatoes, tubers, yams, etc. 2 types of plant starch, amylose, number 2, amylopectin. Amylose. Amylose is in the form of a straight chain linked together with alpha 1,4 linkage indicating 300 to 5,500 glucose units per molecules. Molecular weight range from 10 raised to the power 5 to 10 raised to the power 6. Generally, it is water soluble and gives blue color with iodine. Now, amylopectin. It contains, beside straight chains, several branch chains which are arranged in alpha 1,4 and beta 1,6 linkage units. One molecule of amylopectin contains 5,000 to 5 lakh 50,000 to 5 lakh glucose molecules. Molecular weight range from 10 raised to the power 7 to 10 raised to the power 8. It is insoluble in water and gives purple color with iodine. Types of polysaccharides. Number 2, cellulose. Form cell walls in plant cells, also called fiber or roughage, indigestible by humans. Plant cell contain cellulose. Plant cell wall contains cellulose. Or the structure of cellulose. Summary of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate, monosaccharide and food source. Monosaccharide glucose found in fruit juices, honey, corn syrup, galactose, lactose hydrolysis, and fructose, fruit juices, honey, and sucrose hydrolysis. Disaccharides, maltose, germinating grains, and starch hydrolysis give glucose and glucose. Lactose, milk, yogurt, ice cream on hydrolysis give glucose and galactose. Sucrose found in sugar cane and sugar beets on hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose. Polysaccharides, amylose found in rice, wheat, grains and cereals. Unbranched polymers of glucose joined by alpha 1,4 glycoside bond. Amylopectin found in rice, wheat, grains, cereals. It is a branch polymer of glucose joined by alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycoside bonds. Glycogen found in liver and muscles. Highly branched polymer of glucose joined by alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycoside bond. Cellulose found in plant fiber, beans, etc. Unbranched polymer of glucose joined by beta 1,4 glycoside bonds. Some clinical concepts. Glucose is the most important energy source of carbohydrates to the mammals, except ruminants. The bulk of dietary carbohydrate, starch, is digested and finally absorbed as glucose into the body. Dextrose, glucose in solution is dextrorotatory form, is frequently used in medical practice. Fructose is abundantly found in the semen, which is utilized by the sperms for energy. Several diseases are associated with carbohydrates. Example, diabetes, mellitus, glycogen storage disease, galactosemia. Accumulation of sorbitol and dulcitol is in the tissue may cause certain pathological conditions, example cataract, nephropathy. The non-digestible carbohydrate cellulose plays a significant role in human nutrition. These include decreasing the intestinal absorption of glucose and cholesterol and increasing bulk of feces to avoid constipation. The mucopolysaccharide hyaluronic acid serves as lubricants and shock absorbent in joints. The mucopolysaccharide heparin is an anticoagulant, prevent blood clotting. The survival of anthracitic fish below -2 degrees centigrade is attributed to the antifreeze glycoproteins. Streptomycin is a glycoside employed in the treatment of tuberculosis. Now, quote of the day. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.